Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CSwithRahul. In today's video, guys, I am going to take another important question which is related to your Java interview. And these type of questions definitely interviewer ask in the interviews, right? So if you are a professional or you are a beginner, in both the cases you need and you have to practice this type of question. So our question is today that we have to remove the duplicate elements from the integer list. In last video I have covered that how can we remove the integer elements, string elements from the list, whatever the duplicates are there. Okay, but today we are going with the integer list. Why I have created a separate video for this? Because I am going to cover 2-3 approaches for this, that how can you do this kind of question in multiple approaches. Means when you are attempting the interview, there may be different concepts in your mind that time. So which one you have to use, what you have to do, we'll see in this particular video. So our today's question is that we have one list of integers, like some of the integers 84, 99, 25, 99 again, then 47, 13, 28, 10, 13, 13 again, two times repeated. So whatever the elements are 2 or 3 times, or whatever the elements are more than 1 times, that we have to remove. Okay, so we'll start the video and we'll see that how can we do this. Guys, our question is this. So before going to the question, one important thing that I'm creating the YouTube videos for you, which is completely free of cost, and I am creating in both the languages because some of the student has requested me to create the video in English language also, but I have created the same videos in the Hindi language. If you are comfortable in the Hindi and you are not comfortable with the English, you can go and watch those videos from my playlist. As well as I have created Java shorts also. There are some important concepts related to the Java which can you revise yourself by playing all. Once you are going to the office or you are laying down in the bed, whatever, you just put your earphone, just play all my shorts, and then you can revise, you can memorize those concepts easily. So that will help you in the interviews. So guys, now we will move to our IntelliJ or your Eclipse, right? So we will see that how can we code this. Here already I have created one class which is remove duplicate elements. So I have created a list of integer where I kept some of the numbers. I stored some of the numbers by using the arrays dot as list, and variable name is elements, right? So now we will see that how can we remove, how can we get these kind of questions, how can we solve these kind of question with multiple approaches. So guys, be with the video. Here we are going to do with multiple concepts. So first of all, I am going to store and creating a result list. Here I am creating integer type result list. So first approach, whatever I have used in the previous video with the string type of list, the same thing I will use here. First I will create elements dot stream. I am creating elements dot stream I am creating here, and then I am just calling the district, and I am calling collect method and collectors dot to list. This already I have explained when I was doing it with the previous approach, which was what, which was for the string. Now we'll see the output, then I will show you that if you want to sort it while doing this, you want to make the insertion order while doing this, or you want to do any order while doing this, all the approaches we will do. Guys, if still you have not subscribed my channel, so I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that updated videos notification you will get soon. And in my these playlist, definitely you are going important questions which are related to your interviews. So println I am writing here, and I'm just printing out, I'm doing nothing, result list, saving it, right click, run as Java application. So now here you can see guys, whatever the elements are there, 84, 99, 25, then 99 removed, 47, 13, 28, 10 removed, 10 is there, 13 and 13 removed because already 13 is there. So this was the basic approach which we have followed in last video. So now I am going to tell you another approach that how can you solve this type of question. So let me comment out this. So we will follow that approach from now. So how can we do this? Guys, there are many concepts to do this type of question. So first we will see that how can we do this. Okay, so we will call here first collecting and then. First we will call collecting and then method. Right? How can we do this? Let me copy this till here. Okay, let me create it. I will not copy. List of integer result list. Name I am keeping same because the previous code I have commented out. So I will create the stream elements dot stream. Guys, till this it would be same, because why I am doing this? Because if you will do this, then definitely you have to create, if you are using the Java 8, then you need to create the stream API, because we are going to do this question without any legacy approach, which is Java 8, right? Then we'll call the collect method, right? Inside the collect method we have one class which is collectors dot collecting and then. We are having collecting and then, and here we have to provide two parameters. So for unordered list, I am going to store this in the hash set, because when you are adding the elements in the hash set, it will not allow the duplicate. So first element, first parameter I will provide here for the hash set by calling the method reference. And after that, what I will do? After that, I will do what? I will do like when I will call array list, because we are storing the result in the array list itself, so that we will provide it here. First what we will do, first we will give the hash set, because we through the hash set we are creating another stream, and after that we have to convert the hash set to the list, so that's why we will provide that one. So guys, here we are passing two parameters. Okay, so first parameter is collectors dot to collection method is there. Collectors dot to collection. What? Collectors dot to collection. And in to collection, in which type of collection we are using? We are using hash set type of collection. Okay, so here hash set will be created and stored, and after that we have to convert it to the array list. Generally this is a complex type. This is easy type is what that previously I have told to you. So first of all is what? Let me import it, java.util.hashset. So first of all, first is what? First is java.util.hashset, saving it. S is capital. Okay, S is capital. So here first what we are doing? First we are storing it in the hash set by the collectors to collection method, and after that again we are converting it to the array list. Okay, right click and run as Java application. So again you are getting the result. So you can see there 99 is coming first, then 84 is coming, then 25 is coming, then 10 is coming, means the order has been changed, right? The order has been changed. So why we are using this method? This method we are using for if you want, if we don't want any order, unordered, we are getting here unordered list. So let me tell you, if you want some order, okay, insertion order, or if you want in sorted order. Now we will follow both the things. Okay, now we will follow. First we will see that insertion order, in which the element would be inserted in the stream. So in that order only we have to follow that. How can we do this? Insertion, insertion order, right? So how we can do that in insertion order? In insertion order we can do by the same thing, but we have to call here what? We have to call here the linked list, linked hash set. Okay, when we are doing the linked hash set, it means what? Linked hash set. So linked hash set is also not allowed duplicate values, but it will secure, it will preserve the order of the element is inserted into the stream while we are performing the operation. Right click. Now you can see here the result. 84 first came, then 99 came, then 25 came, then 99 removed, and 47 came, then 13. Means whatever the order is there you have given in the stream, in the same order you will get it, right? But if you want to do this and you want to sort it also, right? You want to sort it also in ordered list. How can you do this? The same thing we will apply here. Okay, the same thing we will apply here, but we will follow one more thing, that we can pass in place of tree set, in place of linked hash set, we can pass tree set. We can pass tree set. So your element will be ordered next time. Right click, run as Java application. See, the result is sorted 10, 13, 25, 28. So there are four approaches we talked about. This is the simple approach. This is very simple, that we are calling the district method. After that, three approaches. Why we are using this? Just for unordered list. For insertion order, we have to maintain. Then we are storing it through the linked hash set. And why we are giving this array list in the collecting, and then because here in the result list we have created the type of integer, we are not storing it to the set. That's why. And again, if you want to store in in the ordered list, then we can do it by the tree set. So all these 2-3 approaches are there. You can practice and you can see the what is the variation in the output. So the important thing is practice. Once you will practice, definitely you will be habitual for these methods. You don't need to memorize any kind of methods or any kind of results. So guys, if you like this video, please do hit the like button, share this video to your friends, comment if you have any doubt. Definitely I'll going to cover your doubts in the next video. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that updated notification you will get soon. Till then we will meet in the next video. Keep learning, keep watching, and keep coding.